Welcome to your first look at the brand new Ally Armor G164HA. We're excited you're here. This versatile laminator is designed for performance and ease of use. And today, we're walking you through the uncrating and stand assembly process step by step. Let's get started and get you closer to powering up. Start by detaching the top of the crate from the base using a wrench, socket wrench, or a drill with a wrench attachment. Carefully lift the top of the crate up and over the machine. Next, remove the silver protective cover from the laminator. Take off any additional protective packaging from around the unit. You'll find the laminator stand legs attached inside the top of the crate. Unscrew the hardware holding them in place and detach each leg. The stand includes 2 legs, 2 silver bars, and 1 blue bar. Start by attaching the silver bars to the bottom of each leg using the provided hardware. Tighten them by hand first. Quick tip: each silver bar has a small notch at one end. Make sure that notch is facing down toward the ground when assembling. Once both silver bars are attached, lock the wheels on the legs to keep the structure steady. Now attach the blue bar to the inside of each leg. There's no designated front or back, so pick the side that works best for your workspace. The flat edge of the blue bar should face outward. Attach the blue bar to the legs using the provided hardware. Tighten them by hand first. Use the included Allen key to fully tighten all screws. There should be 6 on each leg. Next, detach the laminator unit from the base of the crate by removing the anchoring hardware. With a team of 4 people, carefully lift the machine off the base and onto the stand. Line up the rubber pads on the base of the unit with the holes in the stand so it sits securely in place. Finally, use the provided hardware to secure the unit to the stand. Start by tightening it by hand. Then finish with the Allen key for a secure fit. And that's it. Your Ally Armor G164HA is uncrated, assembled, and one step closer to operation. To complete setup, be sure to check out our quick start videos for installing the heating element, setting up the air compressor, and connecting the foot pedal. We've made it easy to get started so you can get back to doing what you do best. Thanks for choosing Ally Armor, your partner in productivity.